Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome to a very exciting trip vlog. Connor and I tomorrow, oh my god, I'm making a mess. Connor and I tomorrow are leaving to go to Washington. We are flying into Seattle. We are spending one night in Seattle before going and driving a couple hours to Leavenworth, Washington. We are staying at the Post Hotel, which is this amazing hotel that I fell in love with last year on TikTok. And Connor actually surprised me last year for Christmas with a trip to this hotel for this December. So a whole year later, it's one of those hotels you have to book way in advance. And I'm just so excited that I'm finally cashing in on this gift. It's gonna be so good. Camera battery is dying. Let me change that quickly. Okay, so I have to go into the office today. We're actually having our office Christmas party, which is gonna be really fun. Really looking forward to that. And then tonight we are going out to dinner with some friends. So I'm only going to have a very short period of time to actually pack later this evening before we go out to dinner. That should be interesting. It's fine, I'm not panicking. It's also going to be like cold and snowy the entire time we're there. So I need to like prepare myself for that. I need to pack like jackets. It's gonna be an interesting time. But I am starting the vlog right here because I just got a little package in the mail. I ordered this from the TikTok shop because I literally cannot stop shopping on the TikTok shop. This is a little tart kit with some maracuja juicy glasses or juicy lips, whatever. And it came with a little lip liner as well, so I thought that we could try these. I've really been needing a new lip liner, so I'm very excited about this. This color is super pretty. I feel like this is like a perfect everyday lip liner. Okay, that is super pretty though. We'll have to try the other colors another time because I need to finish getting ready for work now. All right, going with a little red sweater because this is like the most holiday-ish thing that I could come up with. And we're gonna head into the office now. Party starts at 1, so we do have a little bit of time this morning to get some work done, which is good because I'm taking tomorrow and Monday off for this trip, so I need to get a little bit of work done. But yeah, here's the full little fit, and let's head out. You guys, I had such big plans yesterday, getting my shit together and packing and like doing a whole packing thing with you guys because I'm packing for literally snowy weather and I have no idea what I'm doing. But the whole day really got away from me. I did not have like half a second. So instead I'm scrambling and packing right now and there's no time to film anything about it, but I'm getting close to being done here now. I'm actually like pretty proud of myself. Like, look at this huge space I have here. I guess I still have to get shoes in here, so that would be why. But in theory, I feel like I'm doing pretty well right now. I'm just trying to kind of get this together because as I said, it's gonna be literally snowy. Something really cool about Leavenworth that we actually didn't know when we were booking the trip is that apparently it's like known as one of the best Christmas towns in America. And if you know anything about me, you know how I feel about Christmas. I'm obsessed. And so like, I think everything is gonna be decked out Christmas and then snowy. You guys, I literally have not been in the snow for years. Every time I go back to the East Coast, it's not freaking snowing. Or if it is snowing, it's like not sticking, you know? But I mean, this seems like it's gonna be a snowy time. At least, gosh, I really hope so. Knock on wood. Okay, I've done a little switcheroo because I thought to myself that I kind of want to bring 2 different jackets with me. I was debating, and since I have room in my bag, I was like, okay, maybe I don't have to choose. So I currently have a big white puffer in here because I thought that would be cute, but my other jacket is just more like versatile. That's the one that I definitely would have brought, I think. It's just like my usual long kind of like sweaterish jacket. It just looks a little like nicer, I think, and so I feel like it goes more. I don't know, but the puffer would be like nice and cute to have, you know? So now we have it. I couldn't fit my like swimsuits and underwear and stuff in my bag anymore, but I'm just gonna throw this in my backpack because I'm gonna have tons of extra room in there, so that should not be a problem at all. We have made it to Seattle and we are so excited. We checked into our hotel. Connor had to finish up some work, so I just got ready in the meantime. And now the vacation begins.
Vacation.
I'm so excited. So I think we're gonna head out right now to just this little like loungy bar near where we're getting dinner. And then we have a dinner reservation tonight. And then we'll just see where the rest of the night takes us. I don't think it's gonna be anything too crazy because we have to be up kind of early-ish tomorrow to make our way to our actual trip, which is Leavenworth. This is like a little pit stop of the trip, you know?
Exactly.
So here we go. Thank you. Wow, they look great. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
Got a little espresso martini stitch here.
Looks like a Christmas tree.
I know it does. It looks like a yummy hot chocolate. It kind of tastes chocolatey.
Yeah, it does.
Very into that. Made it to dinner. We are at Cutter's and shocking news. Yeah, thank you, Shelby. This was a Shelby rack. I was totally hitting her up being like, what hotel should we stay at? She said the Thompson, so that's where we're staying. What restaurant should we go to? Cutter's was the first place she recommended. I was like, perfect, we're going. Trip sponsored by Shelby, thank you. And in shocking news, Connor and I got some oysters to start our meal. I know, everyone is like way thrown off. They're like, you guys? Oysters? No.
To be fair, I booked this trip last year with the whole idea that this is an engagement trip.
Yeah, it's so funny. I had no idea, obviously.
We're gonna be engaged. It'd be nice to have a trip where we can sit back and reflect. So yeah, we're gonna splurge a little bit.
And we're gonna have some oysters. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day and we have picked up our rental car and now the real true vacay begins.
Yeesh.
And I'm so excited. So today we are heading to Leavenworth and we're gonna stay at the Post Hotel, which
Christmas Town, USA, baby.
I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. But we got a bit of a road trip. It's about a 2-hour drive. So naturally, what do you need when you do a road trip? McDonald's. So we are in the McDonald's drive-thru. We're gonna get some Mickey D's breakfast. And then we are off to Leavenworth. I'm so excited to see the vibe of this town. I think it's gonna be next level.
It's snowing, which is great.
Yeah, it's snowing all day today. I'm so happy that it's gonna be snowing while we're there. That's the video that we saw on TikTok and like fell in love with. It was snowing in the video and it just looked perfect. So I think it's gonna be pretty
Christmas vibes.
Pretty next level. I'm literally freaking out, you guys, because there's snow on the ground and it is starting to snow as we're driving. Woo! I'm so excited. This is exactly what I wanted. You guys, what is happening right now? I can't stop screaming about this. This is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
It's your inner Canadian, Jill.
Exactly, I get it. I get winter. Yeah. I think I get it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. It is still fully snowing.
Perfecto.
This has been wild and so fun. I'm so happy. This is legitimately one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to. I'm absolutely dying. And like the snow is just adding a whole element to this that is just incredible. You guys, we just checked in and our room is insane. I am so excited. Please take a look. Hotel room tour. So door, obviously so pretty. The arched doors, I just live for it. Gorgeous bed with this giant wood headboard. And then over here we have a couch and a fireplace. The amount of reading I'm gonna do in front of this fireplace is gonna be insane. And then we have a balcony with this amazing view of the snow out there. Like, look at this.
This is what we were hoping for.
I am so excited. You can see a little bit of the pool down there. It's going to be amazing.
Are you ready to show them the best part?
What's, in the bathroom? The bathroom. Like, excuse me? Heated floors. The biggest bathtub I have ever seen in my life. Like, what? This is so next level. I'm so excited. Should we look at what's in our spa bag? They gave us a spa bag here. Big old bag here, and then of course we have some robes, which we're about to get into. We have some cozy slippers. You guys, I'm so excited. We are literally about to just get into these robes and slippers and go and spa it up right now.
100%.
Like, we were both like, we're not gonna spend much time outside of this hotel.
And it's super cute, so you should.
It's
beautiful.
Really nice. It's beautiful.
It's great.
Yeah, totally. But this hotel,
Yeah, that's where we're
we gotta take advantage. We got our robes on, our slippers, our swimsuits, and we are going to head out and check out some of the spa amenities. Do a little sauna, do a little pool time. It's gonna be so nice. We got the fire lit in here, which is so gorgeous. We are just living our best lives right now, truly. Connor's gonna do the cold plunge right now. I'm definitely gonna try it, but I don't know if I'm prepared to do it right now. I'm so on the fence about whether I should. What do you think?
If you're gonna do it, you should do it with me.
Well, but I could do it with you tomorrow.
That's right.
You are so brave. My hero. So we have this like whole circuit here. So we're doing the detox circuit right now. We've gone in these 2 saunas. They have tons of different saunas with different like effects. And then they have 2 cold plunge pools. This one's the colder one that Con is in. Then there's this one which is slightly warmer, but still very cold. But after that, we're gonna go in the Urlaut sauna. I don't know where that one is. Oh, right here. It is so beautiful in here though. I'm absolutely dying.
It's not bad.
It's not that bad.
I feel like you have been riding before.
You look like a tiny little boy huddled in the water.
Yeah.
Connor is at 4 minutes and he's just chilling. So Canadian of you. Oh my God. What a first day here so far, you guys. This has just been like one of my favorite experiences ever. I am like next level obsessed with this hotel. I don't know. I feel like I have to come once a year from now on. It's currently 6:30 though. We have an 8:15 dinner reservation booked in just the little like downtown Leavenworth area. Hi, babe. But we just got a little room service delivered because we were kind of hungry and wanting a little snacky. So got a little sandwich here to share. Got the fire going. We're gonna open a bottle of wine and let the relaxation continue. Love it. So slight change of plans. We were so cozy in our room here and just like enjoying our reading time and chilling by the fire. But we just canceled our dinner reservation and ordered soup, and we just went and picked it up. We had heard really good things about this soup place and it just sounded so cozy, and we're going out to dinner tomorrow night. So I mean, yeah, it's gonna be fine. Who cares? As we said, we are here in Leavenworth literally to spend time at this hotel, so.
But it looked amazing. The town looked so
Oh my God,
cute.
it was so cute. We're definitely doing more exploring tomorrow, don't get me wrong, but I feel no shame with spending my time in this hotel room. Nope. Good morning, everyone. We are at breakfast and we have spa hair, both of us, clearly. But yeah, it is the next morning, and a really cool part about this hotel is that breakfast and lunch is included every day, and they have seasonal menus that kind of switch out. So we just ordered some yummy food. I'm very excited. And also we got like an insane table here for breakfast. It is so gorgeous. I have to show you. We were like walking over and he was like, "Is this table okay?" And I was like, "Yeah, it's okay. Thank you for double checking." But I mean, look at this view. Like, look at the mountains up there. It's so beautiful. And we've got nothing ahead today except for saunas and naps and a massage. We are getting a massage today, which is gonna be so good. I'm so excited.
Gonna be jelly by the end of today.
Literally. Last night was so nice. Just chilling, like reading.
Had a couple Christmas movies on.
Exactly, well, yeah. Christmas movies, Planet Earth. It was so relaxing.
Here we go. Nice, nice, nice. Lower.
I can't.
You can do it. You got it. There you go. And just breathe. Just breathe. There you go, babe. You got it. You're doing great. Just like that, pro, baby. Look at you.
This is so hard to catch my breath. Like legitimately so hard.
How done, Jill? Easy 2 minutes. Easy.
It's now 2 p.m. and we are going in for our massages. I'm so excited. It's gonna be amazing. And then just straight back to the spa for more saunas and relaxation. What a lovely day it has been.
The best.
Absolute perfection. I've loved it so much. And it is now somehow 7 p.m.
12 hours of spa day will do that to you.
Yeah, no kidding. But we are going out tonight. We are going out to dinner. We have an 8:15 reservation, but we're gonna go out and kind of walk a little bit more around the town tonight beforehand, maybe find somewhere to grab a drink, and then we will head to dinner. And then back here for the rest of the evening. Another chill night ahead.
Exactly.
Popped into just a little random bar. Also, can we talk about Conor's sweater? He had to bring his white turtleneck because it's just giving Christmas. It's giving 90s rom-com.
Exactly.
And it's giving Diane Keaton. So just everything that we love. Yeah, so we're at this little bar. It has a cute little view of the town over there, which is just looking so pretty. And they pour thick glasses of wine. This is $8. We're at dinner now, and our appies just arrived. We ordered the focaccia, which is huge. Way bigger than it looked on Yelp, because we did look up everything on Yelp. And this looks so much larger, but whatever. I'm obviously not complaining. It looks amazing. I'm super excited. And then we got the octopus with shishito peppers on top. Never seen that before, but very excited because I love shishito peppers and I love octopus. So, I mean, perfect. And then the clams as well. And these are just our starters because we are psycho like that, you know?
I think we went too big.
Yeah, but what else is new?
Yeah, vacation.
Everything has been so delicious so far, and now we have our entrees. So this is the ravioli, which is huge. This is one of the biggest ravioli dishes I've ever seen.
It looks amazing.
It's usually like 4 raviolis in a ravioli dish.
And it looks amazing.
And then we got some pappardelle over here, which is one of my go-tos at an Italian restaurant, so I'm also very pumped. Good morning vlog. I did so much of this vlog on my phone. I hope you guys don't mind. It's just carrying my camera around wasn't always a good option. But it is the last day of our trip. We fly home later this evening. What is this like red mark on me? I don't know. Oh, look at my ring. It's sparkling. But we just have a couple hours here this morning that we're gonna take advantage of because you can use the facilities here until about 2 p.m. So we can't stay until 2 p.m. unfortunately, but we can get a little bit of time. Check out this view we have here. I'm gonna miss this so much.
Heated night.
Exactly, literally heated daybed here under this blanket reading. Life is good. Well, team, I fully expected this vlog to go up weeks ago, but work just got so busy. So I just am popping in to end this vlog. I'm actually home in New Jersey now, and I think this is gonna be my last video for the year, more than likely, but I am filming a really fun and exciting video while I'm here in New Jersey. That's wedding related, so I think that's gonna be the first video next year, or potentially this year, but I'm just not counting on myself to actually get a video done the rest of this year. And then I'm doing a trip right at the start of the year with Tare, which is going to be really, really fun too. So stay tuned for that as well. That should be kind of the second video that goes up next year. So good stuff coming. Thank you for your patience as I'm kind of just sorting through how to manage, you know, keeping up with my YouTube channel with my job, because it's a lot, and I appreciate your patience and your understanding through it all. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.